at the Chipman Preserve this morning, and we're out taking a walk. This is a great public place that you can go to that is near Galesburg, and it's a great set of walking trails to go back into the woods. And there's some clearings and some fields, prairies. There's also a lot of great trees and forested areas. So stick along with us today. Let's go for a walk. Funny things about going out in the trail, especially after it snowed, is you sometimes come across strange forms of wildlife. Like this one. This is actually the first time I've been here in the winter time. I usually have come in the spring and summer, and I have to say it's beautiful out here. I mean, especially with all these pine trees mixed in with some hardwoods. It's just a portrait. Anyways, let's continue our walk.
I got more than just words. I got more than just words. You bring me songs sweet like the birds. So I got more than just words. I got peace in my mind. I got peace in my mind, knowing that we've got the ties that bind, gives me peace in my mind. The lights are so much brighter, the colors so much deeper. Joy in my soul.
You'll notice that Blue has a different hiking style. He tends to be very alert, and he'll stop in the middle of the trail when he hears a funny sound. It was actually even pretty helpful because he let me know the dogs were coming our way before I even saw them. He's got a keen sense of sight and smell.
fact that you're half of what's making me whole puts a little joy in my soul. And I got love in my heart, I got love in my heart, the promise that no man can tear us apart.
We're about ready to wrap up our hike today, so I hope you enjoyed watching us take a short walk through the Chipman Preserve in wintertime. It's quite a beautiful place, a lot of great things to see, and you get out here early, you're probably going to see some deer because there certainly is a lot of tracks running across the trail. So, till next time, thanks for watching. And if you can remember to like, comment, and subscribe right there, right there, right there. See, it was that easy.
The lights are so much brighter, the colors so much deeper. I got more I can give, so much more I can give.